So this video is going to be looking at the SAP BusinessObjects BI platform support tool, specifically Landscape Tools Universe Analyzer. And what the Universe Analyzer does is lets you diagnose any inconsistencies between your universe structure and the data source. So we're just going to check this sample UNX and let it analyze it. What it'll do is going out, checking the structure of the universe and comparing it to the data source, and we'll return in a little report any inconsistencies it finds, if it's missing key values or any data types. So what we see is we have an error here that the customer name data type is not correct. So we'll just go ahead and check. So we go to the business layer and check customer name. We see it's set to numeric when actually it should be a string. So we'll change it to a string, save the business layer, and then publish it back to the repository. This is just obviously just a quick and easy sample of what could possibly be wrong. It could get much more complex than that. But the tool will find any inconsistencies that you have. So we're just going to run it again. And once it finishes analyzing, we'll be able to see that there are now no issues with the business layer. And then you can go on to check about your missing primary key or there's no link, etc. So that's how you use the Universe Analyzer.